I'm just putting in one shell at a time just because it's a brand new gun and I haven't shot in last year since hunting time, so. Ear protection as always. Man, this is a beautiful gun. Beautiful, beautiful. It seems like a couple times when I was ejecting the one shot there, I was sticking a little bit. I'll have to do some reviews on that and see what the problem. Here we go, one shot. How about we go left-handed? I'm gonna go left-handed here. Give my cheek a break. Can you see that? Here, let's go left-handed on the ground for the coffee mug. For the Tim Hortons coffee. Not bad, not bad. Left-handed at the toaster oven. Woo! Knock that puppy right off. No pain on my left cheek so far. That was only 2 rounds, that's why. But I shot like, what, 15 or 20 on the right side. My shoulder's a little bit sore. And my cheek is red and sore as well. But that's what happens when you shoot a 12 gauge with for 20 rounds. So we go left-handed at this sign here. Not that far away. That's about 12 feet away, and you can see the hole from here. It's a bird shot, and we'll just walk up here, take a look at the damage what a 12 gauge can do from that spot right there. You can see the size of that hole. Face is too tender. Crouch down, left-handed. Bullseye. Arnold Schwarzenegger style. Hasta la vista, baby. Say hello to my little friend. Took that branch right off. I'm gonna go for that red check mark sign.